Guys, I am today gonna show you how I'm using my Saranghae 5-step skincare. Of course, I'm starting with the cleanser. Here is my cleanser. This cleanser makes my skin feel so soft right after, even before I applied anything else. It's soft and nice because it does remove makeup. Of course, it removes oils and dirt and toxins. I don't know what else in there to make my skin feel so soft. It's one of my favorite things to do in the morning and at night, to wash my face now with this little cleanser. After cleansing 2 times a week, I'm using my Saranghae mask. I love this mask and it's very easy to use. I am using, like I said, 2 times a week. As soon as I open it, I try to apply it right away, and usually I'm doing it in the evening when I'm already done with work and when I already removed all my makeup, and most of the time when I'm putting it I go to bed, and a few times I even fall asleep with this mask. And if you use this mask consistently, it will help your skin to keep moisture better, to be firm and vibrant. I really felt a difference after I was starting using this mask. And after I'm done with the mask, if I'm not falling asleep during this relaxation with the mask, then I apply eye cream. This is an eye cream, so I'm getting little size, about this much, on my fingers, and then I'm applying it. This eye cream doesn't give me any irritation, that is why I really can go closer to the eyes. But if your eye is very sensitive, I will suggest to keep it around your high cheekbones and maybe a little bit above your eyebrows. I'm gently applying it and kind of tapping it. I really never apply harsh anything, just because I think if you constantly wrinkle your skin while you're applying it, then of course you're gonna have wrinkles. I guess it's my opinion, so that is why I'm just being gentle with my skin. That's it. This eye cream is really nice. I love the consistency and I love how moisturizing it is for my eye area, and hopefully as more as I use, the better my under eye area will be. After eye cream, I am moving on to my serum. So I'm getting about this amount, and then if I need more, I'm getting more. Starting like from the chin and going kind of up and to the middle of my face. I do like to do tapping motion when I'm applying, just to make sure my product absorbs very well, and at the same time I'm getting massage. And also don't forget about neck. Neck is important too. After that, I'm getting my cream. I have a spatula here, and I will just pick up right amount what I need for my face and neck, and I'm gonna apply it. The same as I was applying my serum, I will go from my chin up and with the tapping motions. As soon as I apply this cream, I just feel that my skin is full of moisture and it's firm, and I feel like I'm glowing. Guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, how I'm using my Saranghae 5-step skincare. And this beautiful skincare is absolutely, hands down, working for my skin. I started to feel my skin much softer, I feel more moisture and firmness in it, and I will continue to use and I will continue to enjoy it. And if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer it. Please leave comments down below, and if this video was helpful, please make sure to send me some love and subscribe to my channel so you can see all the videos I am posting for you. See you soon in my next video.